When you have a rip like that, before you go on your next rip, take your memory card, toss it in your memory card holder, and then put a new memory card in. And only use these memory cards. These are the best, okay? Buy like 10 of them. They're cheap. And just do that, because that way if you're a sketchy pilot and whatever, and you break everything or you lose everything, at least you have that flight. I love this setup so much. Like, I bloody love it. It's perfect. It's perfect. So good.
Fall deep once again. My heart is waking. It hurts when you lie all the time. Can't feel anymore. Feels numb when I die. Restart me again and again. Your love, the ghost of me. Been waiting, waiting for the light. Won't say goodbye. Won't close my eyes and die. I'm waking, waking, give me life. The ghost of me, of me.
That was a sick rip. I went like in between those buildings all the way over there. It was fun. It was a good time. I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreons, you know, even if you're in the little tier, and especially to Black Hat. He basically sent me the money so that I could participate in nationals this year, and I wouldn't have been able to do that if it wasn't for that donation. So thank you so much. Finally at a point where like my little drone business pays for itself. I put a lot into it, and now finally we're at a place where it pays for itself, but it's not really making me any money. So hopefully in a couple years it will, but until then it took about like 3 years, 4 years, and about 20K. But I'll tell you that story if you want to hear it. I'll tell you how like I kind of built this thing from nothing into something, but most of you have been here through that anyway. So I don't know if you're interested in hearing like how to build a little business, or if that's something you're interested in. I don't know. I'm very grateful to you guys who have given me company. I don't expect anything from anyone. You know, if you don't join my Patreon, that's fine. But if you do, it helps out a lot. All the little things, it's all the little things, and I appreciate all those little things. And every single one of you, everyone that leaves a comment, everyone that even clicks the like button, I appreciate you, so thank you. Hey, yeah, we got someone to protect me over here. We got some spotters. What a good day. On top of all that, today's the first time Mr. Steele talked to me. I saw his last video, his latest video, go watch it. It's talking about his gear, but he had glasses that looked like these. I'm like, these, I got the rip-offs of your glasses because I figured he's fancy, so he has fancy glasses, and I wouldn't buy fancy glasses as fancy as his fancy glasses. But don't they look like the same glasses? They're from, I don't know where they're from. I'll find them and put the link below. But damn, it was a good day. Mr. Steele talked to me. Woo!